Hi, it's Sarah with Audio Video Charlotte. We're here today to show you before and after pictures of a recent installation for a client of in-ceiling speakers. In this project, our client wanted to remove the soundbar that was located under the television and replace that with in-ceiling speakers. Our technician started by locating the studs to figure out where we could go ahead and install all of the in-ceiling speakers. Here's some of the troubleshooting that we had to overcome. Even though it looks like the wires are in the hole, we have to find them from an adjacent bay and figure out how to get them into each bay without having to repair the ceiling. As you can see, we removed the soundbar and we're able to install rear, front, and center speakers in this space. And the final result, a modern and clean look for this client. We keep it simple and make it fun, and most importantly, it's installation done right at Audio Video Charlotte. To learn more about our projects and to see what else we're up to, follow us on social media, and as always, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Have a great day.